Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing the top 5 tips to get the most out of your air fryer. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Always preheat your air fryer. Just like your oven, preheating ensures even cooking and crispy results. Most air fryers only take about 3-5 minutes to preheat. Tip number 2. Don't overcrowd the basket. Give your food enough space to allow the hot air to circulate. This prevents soggy spots and ensures everything gets that delicious crunch. Tip number 3. Shake or flip your food halfway through cooking. This helps to cook everything evenly and make sure all sides are nice and crispy. Tip number 4. Use a light oil spray. A little bit of oil goes a long way in an air fryer. It helps to achieve that golden crispy texture without making your food greasy. Tip number 5. Experiment with different foods. Air fryers aren't just for fries and chicken wings. Try veggies, fish, and even desserts. Get creative and have fun. There you have it, 5 top tips for using your air fryer. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen tips and recipes. Happy cooking!